Do you know what it is? Of course you know, but you don't know what I will do with it. Will you surprise if you see that I make a personal messenger from electric shaver? Today I am going to do that. Let's see what can I do. This shaver has some replaceable head like this one, I don't know what it is, and another one for nose trim, but I don't need these things. I only need this one. This trimmer is cheap and not so strong. It is weak, and this trimmer works with a AA battery. Of course, this is expensive as a trimmer when most of the trimmer is rechargeable, and this one is weak and non-rechargeable. So I think maybe I can use it for another reason. So for our today's project, I have to attach something in here. So when I turn on the trimmer, it will vibrate. Then I searched my dryer's toolbox and I found one thing, actually two things. First one is this weight. Okay, I collect it from a old message machine, but now question is how can I attach this thing in here? This is loose, it will not work. If I detach this weight thing, then the motor shaft is inside the body and I cannot attach this with motor directly. One thing I can do, I can cut this body and then the shaft will expose and I can attach this vibrator thing, but that will not a smart step, because if I cut it then it will looks ugly and the rough edge will disturb you when you want a relaxing message. Then I found this attachment. This thing I was correct from another Philips trimmer. That one was expensive than this one, and like you see, this trimmer has also something like this. This is plastic and this is metal, and this one is fit with this vibrator weight, and I can easily now attach this thing to my motor like this, and now see, vibrates like crazy, you can see. So what I will do now, I cannot use this directly like this, it's not relaxing, it hurts. Then I think, what can I do? How can I cover this thing? I need a smooth ball shaped hollow object so I can cover it with that. Then I found a dim light in my room. I take it and detach its diffuser. This was a dim light. I detach this cover and give some heat with my gas torch and push it like this. And now see, this is nicely fit with my trimmer, and now I can easily message my body anywhere. So now one thing I need to solve, I have to fix this cover with body. What I can do, I can use some glue, can use adhesive, I can use some small screw. Let's see what can I do. And one another thing I have to do is I have to attach this attachment with motor strongly, and of course I have to use some glue or soldering this piece with this attachment so it will not detach when I will use. Open this body. I think now it will stay strong with the motor. Now I am going to assembling everything again as previous, but can I do this? Now I am trying to solder this thing together. Oh my god, what it is. First here I have to do things very quick. Need some cleaning because the solution is acidic, and if I don't clean it properly it will harm this metal. Okay, now it's clean and we will assemble it again. It's done, main job is done, but now it's time to assemble our cover, head cover. So what can I do? At first I will use some adhesive, then after drying the adhesive I will drill 3 holes, 1, 2, 3, and use some small screw. Let's move. Now here, now I will wait few minutes, then attach. I think it is already enough strong for use, but I want to make it more secure, more strong. So I am now drill 3 holes, one here, another is here, and I will screw. Now it's time to screw it. Let's find some screw for this. So this is our final product with screw on it, and it works fine. I think it will relax me when I can't sleep at night. Thank you for your time.